YouTube, it's Complexx Beauty. Welcome back to my channel, and like I always say, you could have been anywhere else, but guess what? You're here with me, watching me. If you guys have seen this beat in this robe, it's because I recorded another video right before this one, and I don't feel like changing my outfit or my beat or my lip gloss or my hair because I think it looks perfect. I look gorgeous. So if you guys want to see all the products I bought in my Morphe makeup haul, stay tuned.
Go bad, my go real. I ride in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, burn out flip like 10 car wheels. Hold that, get raw chills. 10 different looks and my looks so kill. I get some in the mouth, I feel all grills. Eat in the car, that's your song wheels.
Okay, so you guys know I've been a Juvia's Place junkie lately. I literally have like bought the website at this point. I have everything. I have on their foundation right now. I wear their concealer all the time. Like, I love Juvia's Place, but baby, I forgot my first true love, which is Morphe Cosmetics. I love Morphe. That was like my first eyeshadow palette. I bought that 35O with the browns and the golds. Have that. I have the 35G 350G or whatever. It's the colorful palette. I'll leave it, you know, a picture of it on the screen. And I was like, wow, I hadn't bought from Morphe in a long time, and I just wanted to, you know, get some new products. I'm trying to like build up my product stuff. I hope you guys enjoy this new makeup look I've done with my white eyeliner. If you guys like this look and want me to do a video on it, y'all gotta ask for it. I'm not giving out no more free game. Ask for it. Y'all gotta speak up, because I need to know that I am giving you guys what you want. If you guys want a tutorial, a full detailed tutorial on how I got this look, leave it in the comment box, because if not, I'm not gonna know you guys want it, and I'm just gonna keep moving on. So anyway, back to the haul. Like, again, this is gonna be a pretty short video. We're gonna get straight to the point, and let's just, you know, feel the Morphe vibe, see what's going on. So the first thing that I want to show you guys, of course it came in a regular just like cardboard box like this. I love packages. I love seeing my name on a package. I love seeing the words delivered. Okay, I love seeing that because I know that what I order is here, and I'm always ordering something. That's my problem now. But pretty much I ordered two brushes. So this first one is the M421 mini concealer brush, and I'm going to try to take it out of the bag for you guys so you guys can see it. I bought this to cut my crease because, like I've told you guys in the past, I'm not the best crease cutter. I feel like I'm getting better, but this brush is really small, and I don't know if you guys can see how small it is, but it's really small. Oh, this is better. It's really small, and I feel like it'll be able to get up in that crease really well with the concealer. So again, this is the M421 brush by Morphe. It's a really pretty brush, you know, black, silver, has the Morphe and the number on it, so you always know. Sometimes it rubs off, but you'll know your brush once you know your brush. So again, this is the M421. This was on sale for $5. $5. She was a cute $5 cut. And so this was also $5. I guess they were having a sale, or their brushes just, I think, matter of fact, I think this is the real price. I don't think this was a sale. I think this was the real price. The brushes was $5, and so was the lip glosses and lipsticks. Okay, so moving right along to our next brush. This is the M410, the 410 brush. This is just a square. I can tell you can see it better on my hair. It's a square, just sharp brush. I want to use this for my eyebrows, my under eye concealer. You can use it for eyeliner, but I really got it for the purpose of under my under eye, because I really want to get even better at getting that under the eyebrow concealer really sharp. And so I think this would be really good to help draw and stencil out the lines. So this is the M410, and that wraps up the brushes. I have a whole lot of brushes, so I only bought two. So then let's move right along to the mug. A mug is your face when it's beat, okay? And what you do is you paint a mug. So for all the girls that in the Honor of Paris is Burning and RuPaul and all the drag sisters that I have, honey, the girls, this is a mug, okay? So if y'all hear me say a mug, I'm not talking about a coffee mug. I'm talking about my mug. So I got some things for my mug. So the first thing I got was the Morphe Filter Effect Finishing Powder. Honey, they sold me on the name. Filter Effect? You mean I'm going to look like a filter? So I knew I didn't really have a good like face powder. I hadn't had a good one since MAC, and I was just kind of over it. And baby, they sent me her. Oh my god. First of all, y'all, I don't know if you can just see how rich and creamy this color is, but it matches my skin perfectly, guys. Like, I put it on top of my highlighted areas just to like set it, and it just it made me look more warm. I don't look flushed out. It literally gave me, it like literally gave me a filter effect. Like, I couldn't even believe it. I was like gagging. I put it on. I asked Kylie, I was like, oh my god, do you see this? She was like, yeah, I see this. You're filtered. It's AF. And I was like, I'm filtered? She was like, yeah, you're filtered. You look like a filter. So yeah, this is that was my little Kourtney Kardashian, or Kim, any of the Kardashians, like literally. So whatever. So yeah, so this is my filter effect. I got the color filter 12. Yep, I'm number 12. So that was really good. So if you're my skin tone, you can probably get away with a 12, or you could go a little lighter in the winter time. You know, I like to be bronzy and golden all year round, so I'll be wearing filter 12 all year round, and it looks like this. And I just love how like melanated this packaging looks. Ooh, gives me melanin. And Morphe does support the Black Lives Matter movement. That's why I support them. Okay. And so next for my mug, I got the GLAMABRONZE. This came in the cute, their new packaging is so dope. Like, I'm so here for it. It's so rich, so luxe. Makes me feel like I spent more than $5. Look at that. I can't remember how much the Glamazon was. Actually, I got the receipt right here. And it doesn't tell me how much everything was, so this receipt doesn't help me at all. So yeah, this I'll leave the price in the detailed description box, or maybe like right here or somewhere. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. But this is a bronzing powder, and it's called Leader. This bronzing powder, they come in the best range of colors for brown girls. Like, you know how you want to find a bronzer powder that's deep and rich and has the perfect set of undertones. Red, I like a nice reddish, bronzy-ish, just kind of like rust color bronzer. I can't explain it, but I saw Leader because I looked at the swatches, and baby, first of all, can we get into how big this bronzer is? I'm gonna be using this for the rest of my natural born life. My daughter will use this at her prom probably. This bronzer is huge. I love this. This is so much product for how much I spent. I don't feel gypped. I don't feel like I'm going to run out and I need to buy 10 of these, because I feel like I'm going to have this for a long time. And the packaging is beautiful. It's durable. It's lightweight. It's not heavy. It can, you know, I travel a lot, so I like to have products that, you know, are really, really compact and give me my bang for my buck. Look at all this bronzer. And honey, she did this. Okay, Leader. And they have darker colors for my warmer girls, and they have lighter colors for my lighter girls, my red bones. They get you some bronzer for Morphe. Again, I'm color Leader, and they call this the Big Bold Bronze, the GLAMABRONZE, honey. Okay, so that's it for my mug. So next up, I got 2 lipsticks. And the first, this is their Mega Matte Lip Formula. It's a lipstick. So the first one I got was in Boy Toy, and it looks like this. And I love the packaging. Again, the black with the stripes. It's just so makeup. It kind of like reminds me of old MAC packaging a little bit, but it's just better. First of all, look at this. Look at this. How the lipstick looks. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's like a prism shape. How about I bring it closer? It's like a prism shape, and it's so cute, and it's just so cute. And on the tip of it, it has an M, and it says Morphe like on the side, like, but you can't really see it. You can probably see it a little bit now, but it's so cute. When I opened it, I was like, yes, Morphe, step it up. Maybe I haven't bought for a long time, but this is over. So I opened it, and this is, like I said, it's a Boy Toy. This is a like peachy nude. And y'all know I'm always here for a nude lip. I always, most of the time, wear a nude lip. And this is everything. Oh my god, y'all. I gotta put it on my hair. I haven't even used it yet because there's an M. You guys are probably not gonna be, but there pretty much there's an M engraved at the top of it. I'll leave pictures of this on the screen, or in, you know, I'll attach the link to where exactly you can find Boy Toy. But this is Boy Toy, and they had the cutest little M engraved. I haven't worn it yet. I feel like it kind of looks like Honey Bunny, which I'm addicted to. But so I'll wear one of these and I'll let you know when I wear Boy Toy. And I feel like it'll be really cute with, I guess I'll just do the whole Lippy collection. So this was Boy Toy. So to go with Boy Toy, I always like a gloss on top of my lipstick. So I have this one. It's called FROSE, and it's a shimmery pink color. Oh, and it has the same like design at the top. Like, why is this so freaking cute, guys? Like, I love like a lilac, peachy, light pink. And this one has like iridescent shimmer in it. It's so bomb. It's just clear and shimmery. But this is to go on top of that nude. So it's going to be a nice, just naked nude. I love a nude lip. Black hair nude lip. Light hair nude lip. Anything nude lip. I'm always seeing nude lip. So this is FROSE. These were all $5. So guys, I think I spent like $30 to get all this stuff. So it was amazing. So the
put this on bling bling.
How much?
I let it go for about $40.
$40?
Look, man, $35. That's the lowest I can go. You're killing me.
Okay, 35. Yeah. Ooh, thank you. Squeeze my tiny ass up in this. Upstage these bitches up in here. You like this girl? Cute.
So the next lipstick I got was called, okay, so I have this really quick story I want to tell you guys. I always lose MAC Ruby Woo. I've literally owned 10 of them. I think it's a bad luck lipstick for me. I can't keep it. I lose every one I get. I don't know where they go. They're probably all under a bed or a rock somewhere together as one holding hands, like we escaped from her. Like, I don't know why. So I decided to try a new poppin' red, because reds, like, I feel like it's really hard to find a red that matches my complexion. So I bought this red, and it's called Dominate. It looks like this. So you can tell it's already very fire engine, given very much, you know, 911, emergency, stop signs vibes. So this is supposed to be a dupe to Ruby Woo. And this is called Dominate. Baby. I don't know about it giving Ruby Woo. I'll have to try it on the video and we'll circle back. But honey, she gives me something beautiful. I feel like, yeah, I'm feeling this. I can already tell. Like, can't you just see it on me? Dominate. When I wear it, I'll tag it, and you guys, you know, I'm gonna be wearing all these products in all my next videos. So if you watch my next couple of videos, you'll see all of these products. And that brings me to my next lippy, which is called Boho. The packaging looks like this. It's a lighter peachy nude. Like, this nude was like a shimmery pink. This one is like a lighter peachy nude. You can kind of like tell more so by here. So you see, I just get a whole bunch of different nudes that look alike, and kind of, you know, can never have enough nudes. If a guy asks you to send you nudes, send him a whole bunch of nude lipsticks. That's the only nudes we respect, right, ladies? Period. So this is called Boho, and I actually have Boho on now, and so I can actually show you guys how she looks on top of my lipstick, Honey Bunny. It's just bomb. It's everything. It's already my favorite lip gloss. I can tell you right now. I love any thick pigmented pink lip. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love this lipstick. I mean, this lip gloss. So that's it for the lippies, but I have one last thing that I got that I felt like I needed, and I can't say I'm 100% happy with this because I thought it was dark on the site, but I got a lip liner. I wanted a really like nice, like almost matte chestnut brown liner, but the Morphe version. So I was looking at it, and this color looked darker on the site. This is Chippy, and so I'm still gonna try it because I think it may look really cute under a bunch of different lipsticks. But it's a warm brown. but it's a little light, and it has a little a red or a pink undertone. I'm not sure, but it was given very much chestnut brown on the site. But anyway, whatever. It's much lighter. You can see it against my hair. It's much lighter, but it'll be nice with a nice pink or a nice really nude dusty lip. I think, you know, it'll work out. I just have to keep using chestnut for matte because obviously I can't pick lip liners online. It's really hard to shop online. That's why we do hauls, so you can be like, you can have something to reference. So if you're looking to buy products from Morphe, I will say this haul is definitely, I haven't tried everything, but packaging 10 out of 10. Like, the collection is so flipping cute. Like, it's so cute. Like, I just love the way it looks, and the golds and the colors, they complement each other. Like, I don't even want to throw away the boxes. Like, I just love it. I just think, you know, it's so cute and fun, and I still can't get over how much product is in their powders. Like, it's a lot of product, guys, and their stuff is dirt cheap. Like, don't leave after COVID with that same dusty, flashbacky beat that y'all was doing before COVID. Can y'all please get some filter effects so y'all don't have to use the real thick filter over y'all face? Can just buy the filter effect from Morphe.
While you have a chance, you need to be trying to get an education, because your looks ain't gonna get you paid. Because you're not that cute. And your hair is uneven. You look dusty.
You don't have to just use a whole bunch of filters. It looks scary. So that's all I have for you guys today, and that concludes our Morphe haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the Morphe haul. Like I said, it was short. I got 10 products for under, I think it was like, it had to be like, I think with shipping and everything, it was under $40. I do know that. And I'm like, I love it. I just was, like I said, I have on the bronzer and I have on the filter effect. Y'all, I legit, don't I look like a filter? I'm about to say it still. It's bomb. The powder is everything. Like, I look highlighted, but not like not like that. Like, you know, it's subtle, it's soft, it matches, you know. So I really love it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, or else I'm gonna punch you in your ass. Like, no, I'm just joking. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Only if you like my content. Don't like it because I told you so, but like it because I told you so. Okay? And like I promised you guys, I'm going to be trying to bring more content. And it's been COVID. We fighting for our Black lives. Again, Black Lives Matter. There's been a lot going on, but I'm going to continue to give you guys content. And I have a lot of new exciting things on the way. So subscribe now while I'm small, because when I blow up, don't be like, oh, I could have, you know, linked up with her. I'm just joking. But really, subscribe, guys. It costs you nothing to support your channel. You know, especially if you love makeup like I love makeup. What does it hurt? Even if you don't do things my way, it's a good way to say, okay, well, she bought that. Well, I like this. This works for her. It doesn't work for me. Talk to me. You know, you guys know I always respond in my comments. If you guys comment and I don't respond, call me out, because I try to engage with my subbies. I love you guys. Where would I be without my subbies? 3,000 of y'all stuck with me for 8 years. I love you guys. Besos. So I love you guys, and I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
It's a big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, run out flip like 10 car wheels. Hold that, give Ross chills. 10 different looks, and my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Heat in the car, that's your song wheels.